With the Lenovo Legion Go set to release at the end of the month, the true question is whether or not this device will be the next big thing in the handheld world. Pre-orders for the Lenovo Legion Go are currently open. The device is scheduled for release on October 31st and will soon be in gamers' hands. It's important to think about whether the Lenovo Legion Go will stand out in the gaming handheld market, given the arrival of the Asus ROG Ally earlier this year and the variety of other gaming handhelds already available. And to answer that question, no, I don't believe it will, and here's why. Let's start by delving into the price factor because, well, it's a make-or-break deal for many. The Lenovo Legion Go comes in at a rather hefty $699. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a powerful contender, but it does stand in a league of its own compared to the more budget-friendly Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch, priced at $399 and $299 respectively. And before you think I'm just nitpicking at that $700 price tag, let me tell you why it matters. It's not just about today, it's about setting a precedent for handheld gaming pricing. It's important to voice our thoughts now to Lenovo and all other handheld gaming companies. After all, you don't want to see that $700 balloon into $1,000 or more. As consumers, we deserve a fair deal, and it's worth making our opinions heard. The Lenovo Legion Go is an absolute powerhouse. It excels in terms of performance, boasts a user-friendly operating system, and sports a stunning display, putting it miles ahead of the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch. But here's the catch: if you're a die-hard AAA gaming enthusiast, you might want to cast a glance at those lightweight gaming laptops that share a similar price bracket. When it comes to competitive gaming, the Lenovo Legion Go hasn't quite broken through the handheld gaming scene. So for gamers hungry for that razor-sharp competitive edge, laptops might still be the go-to choice. Now, if you're simply in the market for a dependable handheld experience, where having the absolute highest frame rate isn't your top priority, the Steam Deck steps into the limelight. I mean, it's half the price and opens up a world of gaming possibilities through Steam. It's a clear-cut choice that's hard to ignore. Let's delve into the weight factor. The Lenovo Legion Go comes in at a substantial 1.88 pounds, which makes it heftier than its competitors, notably the Asus ROG Ally at 1.34 pounds and the Steam Deck at 1.47 pounds. Now, personally, I was hoping we wouldn't see a handheld surpass the weight of the Steam Deck, which I already found a tad too heavy. The Steam Deck did manage to distribute its weight well, and while we can't say for sure how Lenovo will tackle this issue, the 8.8-inch screen doesn't make it the most portable option for on-the-go gaming. For those who prioritize size and weight, the Asus ROG Ally might be the more appealing choice. While the Legion Go boasts an impressive screen, it's likely that its battery life will pay the price. With a 1600p, basically 2K, 8.8-inch screen, it's clear that this higher quality, albeit LCD, display might be a bit of a battery guzzler. If it were equipped with an OLED screen, it could potentially balance things out, but as it stands, the Legion Go's screen quality might mean a compromise in the battery life department. And that's a wrap for today's video on the Lenovo Legion Go and why you might want to give it a second thought before making a purchase. Now, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Will you be making a purchase or placing a pre-order? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.